Hi, I'm Dan from Apex Autos and we're going to take this fantastic Audi A1 Sportback for a little test drive. So the car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily, so away we go. We do these test drive videos at Apex Autos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there, clutch and the gearbox feel really good, through all 6 gears very smoothly, brakes feel nice, steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should. With it being an Audi, as you can imagine, it's a really nice car to drive, very comfortable, very easy to drive, very easy on the gears and the steering. And on the sport model, you get great specification, including the upgraded Sat Nav, which is on display at the moment. You've also got on here Bluetooth, both for your mobile phone, hands-free, and for audio streaming. You can also buy cables for different devices, and then there's a socket for those in the glove box should you want to connect any devices with a wire. Air conditioning, really nice leather multi-function steering wheel, electric windows front and rear, really good balance of power and fuel economy from the small petrol turbo engine. So yeah, this Audi A1 looks nice, drives nice, it's got full service history, done just under 54,000 miles at the moment. We're going to give it a fresh MOT tomorrow. So there we go, back at base. Thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.